Hello everyone. So in this video, we will see the parametric equation of circle. So let us consider a 2D circle, or you can consider three planes Z, X, Y, Z, and here a circle is there. Now let us consider the circle, and the center of the circle is having point PC. Okay, now I am writing the coordinates here. The coordinates of PC are XC, YC, ZC. Okay, so PC is nothing but a center of a circle, and the coordinates of center is XC, YC, and ZC. XC will be somewhere here, YC will be somewhere here, and ZC will be some perpendicular in the perpendicular direction. Some value will be there. Now let us consider here the angle is the parameter where we will consider u as theta. Okay, so theta will denote as u. Okay, in this. So let us consider u here is 0. Here u is nothing but a theta. Here in this case u will be the theta. So u is equal to pi by 2. Then u is equal to pi. Here u is equal to 3 pi by 2, and again here u will be 2 pi. Okay, so this is nothing but the value of theta, or here as we are writing u as a parameter, so we will use u notation for theta. So here these are the four locations of u. Okay, we are familiar about this: pi, 0, pi by 2 pi, and 2, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Now we want to find the parametric equation. So let us consider here a point. We are considering here a point P, and P point is having coordinates x, comma y, comma z. So P point we are considering here. Now let us consider here another point Pn, and here another point Pn plus 1, okay, where Pn is having coordinates xn, yn, zn, and Pn plus 1 is having coordinates xn plus 1, comma yn plus 1, comma zn plus 1. Okay, so these are the coordinates of the points, and we have considered here 3 points P, Pn, and Pn plus 1. Okay, now we want to find the parametric equation of circle. Parametric equation is nothing but equation which will give you the coordinates, the values of the coordinates at any location of u. At any location of u, if suppose u is 0, what will be the coordinates of point? If u is equal to pi by 2, or in between this, if at any degree, 45 degree, 50 degree, 90 degree, 100 degree, whatever. Okay, so at any location of u, you will get the value of coordinates. Okay, so for that we have to develop an equation. So that equation is nothing but a parametric equation. So as it is, its name is parametric equation, it should have a parameter. Okay, so now we are familiar about this. In the last video also we have seen x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. These two equations we are familiar about this. Okay, so now here this equation is when your center is 0, 0. Okay, so center of the circle, and here this 0, 0, 0, both will coincide. Okay, but as your circle is offset, you have to add some value. So here this horizontal value is here, I have written here xc. It is xc, and this y-axis is having this let us say here it is yc. Okay, so you have to add this. Okay, so what we will do here, so in this case x is equal to xc plus r cos theta, y is equal to yc plus r sin theta. But here instead of theta we are using u, and here we are assuming that the radius is capital R. Okay, radius we are assuming it is capital R. So we will rewrite these equations. So x is equal to xc plus capital R cos of u, y is equal to yc plus capital R sin of u. Okay, where u is nothing but a parameter. Okay, and z is equal to, now here we are assuming this circle in plane, xy plane. Okay, so where z will be 0, sorry, z will have some zc value. Okay, so on xy plane z will be 0, but if suppose it is somewhere it is having some distance from the plane, so in that case z will be somewhere zc, because your y is pc is having zc coordinate. Okay, z coordinate is zc, so we will write here z is equal to zc. So this equation is nothing but a parametric equation of circle. Okay, and here let us call this equation as equation number 1, and this is a parametric equation, and here u is in between 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so this is lower value of u and this upper value of u, because your u will start from 0 and it will complete at 2 pi. Okay, 360 degree. So this is the parametric equation of circle. Now in the next video we will see the parametric equation of circle by recursive method.